Order
I'm
filled.
pretty much just gonna have my stop below this. Yeah, this is hard. Maybe I should have waited for a little bit more of a pullback. You know, really what I was looking for was a pullback and then a quick spike lower, and then I think a shoot higher. Because again, I think this could just sweep back pretty quickly. And if I waited much longer, you know, maybe I could have waited to get long on the high of this candlestick and see how this reacts. But again, it's just nickel and diming at that point and going back and forth. My bias is big picture is to the upside, and this is just kind of a sweep lower. I could get knocked out just because it could pull back and then do an actual like larger, you know, 5-minute pullback and then go higher. That's kind of where we're at. I'm gonna move my stop up a tiny bit just to the lows of this. I think at this point, if it pulls back, it's, you know, gonna knock me out, and I might as well just put my risk where I actually would like it. And I think it looks good. So I think just kind of waiting to see. The initial, I'd probably move my stop to break even when it breaks this as a high, but it could definitely come up here and retest this in terms of a bigger picture swing, looking at, because this is really a micro pullback. In terms of, you know, bottoming, this move right here makes total sense. So even if it comes up to here, I might not move to break even if I think the big picture bias is still really looking good. I think if it does come up here, I think holding through a pullback like that it makes a lot of sense. Again, I want to see this come up here and I want to hold through a pullback here. So I'm gonna just kind of let this do what it needs to do. Okay, definitely some whipsaws here on gold. That's kind of spooky, but held through the pullback I want, and you know, that's what I'm looking for. So again, just gotta hold on. I really thought that pullback was gonna look good.